Waiting for tonight. Whoa. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Michelle. I am a fashion and lifestyle content creator, and if you aren't subscribed already, I would really love it if you would consider doing so. Today I have a huge Nastygal haul. I'm really excited. I can't wait to show you guys all the pieces. A few of the pieces were gifted by Nastygal, so thank you so much to Nastygal. And let's just go ahead and get right into it. So the first item is actually the piece that I'm wearing right now, which is this white sweatshirt. I actually got the matching white sweat pants, and I love these two. I've been wearing them a ton. I actually wore this set for my birthday in December. If you follow me on Instagram, you probably saw it. But yeah, I am loving sweats. I feel like that was obviously a big thing for 2020, and for me it's just kind of bleeding into 2021. I'm not mad about it. I also got a matching set in black. Now this one I bought in a size large. The white that I'm wearing is a medium. I had gotten the black set first and it was really big. Now I don't mind a huge oversized sweatshirt, but the pants were, I was like swimming in them. They were just way too long and way too big, which is really surprising because I'm relatively tall and I typically wear a size large. I don't have issues with wearing a size large, but I ended up just giving it to my boyfriend. He loves it, wears it all the time, and I decided to keep the sweatshirt because he doesn't typically wear sweatshirts, so I have been wearing this non-stop. It's so comfortable. I love it. Now Nastygal just recently had some new sweatshirt colors come out, so I had to pick some up, and they were only $9. The first one that I got is this green one. I absolutely love this color. It's so pretty, and on the inside it's super cozy. For $9 I was a little bit worried that it wouldn't be like as cozy as a sweatshirt as it is, but it's perfect. It's so comfortable. It's so nice that I decided to pick it up in another color, and I got this one here. It's almost like a blush baby pink, like neutral. It's so cozy. I haven't worn this one yet, still have the tag on it, and I also got this one a large. I would say that this runs kind of like a medium. This might be a little too close of a match to my skin color, but I still really like it. This next item I'm super excited to wear. I haven't tried it on yet, and it is this tie-dye dress. It is this really pretty brown color, and I love it. I really do. I think it's so cute. I can just see myself wearing this a lot, especially with like a jacket or maybe some tights and some boots. Brown has been really big lately and I'm here for it. I love it. I've been wearing a ton of it, and when I saw this one I knew I had to get it. I think it is so adorable. This next top is such a fun piece. It is this zebra top. I love that it has a high neck. It's super stretchy and comfortable, and the best part is it's backless. It is so pretty, you guys. It's super comfortable. I absolutely love it. I don't even need to wear pasties with it because it's thick, and what's great is it's one of those pieces that I think can definitely go into like a springtime, just because it is like a sweater but it has the open back so you won't get too hot. I wouldn't say this is something you can wear in like the dead of winter if you're somewhere where it's snowy, but I live in California and this is like a perfect winter top. This next top is this really pretty green. I don't think that I have anything like this in my closet, and when I saw it I was just really drawn to it. It's sleeveless, it has shoulder pads, and it has this ruching at the bottom, so it just sits nicely against your stomach. For me, I don't really love crop tops. Just being like a taller girl and just a little bit older, I don't always want to show my midriff. It's just like, I want to be comfortable. So this is kind of like the perfect type of crop top for me, where it does cinch in so it sits to my body, which I love. And I could just see myself wearing these with like some high-waisted black jeans and some boots. Really, really cute. And this color, like I said, not anything I own, so I was just really drawn to just something a little bit different. So I actually have another sweatshirt to share with you guys, and it is this one here. I wear this so much. I probably wear this like 3 or 4 times a week. It's just one of my throw-on sweatshirts because it is so long. And for someone like myself who is taller, I do love having an oversized sweatshirt, but it's rare that I can find one that's long enough that can kind of cover everything when I'm wearing leggings, and this one is perfect. It is super long. I got it in an extra large, and yeah, I have been living in this. It's this really cute tennis Beverly Hills on it. Yeah. So comfy. Next up is this jacket here, and I knew I had to pick this up. I have a lot of jackets, but they're all solid, so I was like, it would be wonderful to have like a plaid, and so this is just kind of like this like flannel little jacket. And what's great about this one is it's a little shorter in the front and longer in the back, so it covers everything, which I like. I love jackets because you can wear them with t-shirts, tanks, throw them over a long sleeve. Just an extra added layer or detail to the outfit. I really love that I could just throw this on and run out of the house. This next piece is something that I saw on the website all the time, and I never put it in my cart, and I don't know why, because I always wanted it and I never got it. So I finally decided to get it. It is this Las Vegas graphic tee, just this long sleeve shirt. And with winter time, I love wearing long sleeves. I like to wear multiple layers. I run really cold, and I just thought this was a really cute one. I thought that I could even wear this like during the summer if it wasn't incredibly hot, maybe spring, with like shorts or something. But right now I'm definitely loving it with jeans, leather pants, and I just love that it's like a neutral graphic tee. I don't know, there's just something about it. I was like, I really like love the colors. Next up, I have this baby doll dress. I have really been into baby doll dresses, and I couldn't find anything that was long enough. I will say this one is a tad short on me, but I've been wearing it with tights and boots, and I love it. I think it is so cute. I'm really obsessed with it. This is definitely something that I can wear in the summertime as well, but I really love being able to pair it with tights and boots and sport it during the winter season. This next top I love. It is this tie-dye gray and white shirt. I actually wore this like 2 or 3 videos ago, and it is so comfortable. Like I said, I'm loving long sleeves right now, and this one has this really cute added detail on the side. It's kind of like this scrunch tie-up, and so you could definitely make the shirt more cropped if you like, or you can have it longer. Typically I opt for it to be longer, but I really love this little added detail. This one is just such a fun, easy piece to wear. Next, I have this vest. This is like a denim zip-up vest, and I think it is so cute. I love that I can throw it over things, especially when it's not incredibly cold, or I could just like wear a sweatshirt or a long sleeve with it. I even wore this with a white button-down shirt with some tights and boots, and I really love the way that that look came out. I got this in a size 8. And it definitely is oversized. I would say that you can go true to size and it would still be oversized. So if you're looking for an even baggier look, I would definitely size up, but just be aware that it is already a baggy fit. I really love it. It has these drawstrings, so if you wanted to make it tighter and cinch the waist, you absolutely could. Next up are a pair of pants that you have probably seen all over Instagram and Pinterest. It is these high-waisted, almost like leggings, and they are a pant that flares just a tad, but it has a split. So it has a split hem. I feel like I saw a lot of split hems in denim, but now I feel like I'm seeing it in just other materials, cords, like leggings. These are so comfortable. I just love the added detail of the split. I feel like it's something fun to wear. You can kind of show off the shoe. It's just a fun added detail, and I'm really enjoying it. I would love like this pair in like a brown or a tan. I don't think that they have that, but Nastygal, if you're watching, this would be really cute in brown. Next up, I have a piece I'm excited to try. I have not tried this on. It is this high-waisted, wide leg faux leather pants, and these feel like a really great quality. They feel really structured in a good way, but they don't feel like they would be too tight. They are really wide legs, so it'll be interesting to see how these fit. I'm really excited. I feel like a wide trouser or a wide leg is really popular right now. Kind of reminds me of like the early 2000s with like the cargo pants that were really wide. I've been seeing a lot of that lately. So when I saw these, I knew I had to pick them up, and I am really excited to style these. I cannot wait. Next up, we have a piece I immediately put in my cart when I saw it. It is this white trench coat. I have worn this a ton. I just went to dinner last night for my boyfriend's birthday, and I wore this. It was super rainy. I got it super oversized. I got a size 8. I would say that this runs really big. I would say it feels larger than an 8, so I would actually size down in this unless you want it to be super, super oversized. I went up a size. I would have probably gotten a 6, but I got an 8 because I wanted to be oversized, but it was a little bit more oversized than I anticipated. I would say that the 8 feels like a 10 or a 12. So if you want something that's more fitted, definitely size down. Next, I got this really cute brown set. It's technically not a set because they're one different material and two, they were sold separately, so not a set. The top is this really cute ribbed bralette, and it feels super comfy and stretchy. I can't wait to wear this. This is something that I think that I could wear under a lot of like shirts and sweatshirts, like going to work if I just don't want to put on an actual bra. This feels so comfortable, and I wanted to get matching bottoms, and I wanted more of like a short. I feel like I'm really into like shorts right now as underwear. I think it's really comfortable. I got a size large in this one as well as this. But yeah, they both feel super comfortable, and I can't wait to pair these two together. Next up, we have shoes. I actually have a pair that aren't with me right now, but I did want to share them with you guys. They are this really cute quilted heel. I'll go ahead and insert a picture of me wearing them. They are absolutely adorable. I really, really love them. And those are like a pair of shoes that I can see myself wearing all year long. And they are a really comfortable heel. I really enjoyed wearing them. I wore them through rodeo and I didn't have a problem. Next up, I have a pair of boots that you have probably seen pretty much like everyone in. I feel like most people I know have these boots, and it is these Nastygal boots. And these are the dupes of the Prada ones that everyone has. And I saw everybody with these, and for some reason I was like, ugh, I'm seeing them so much I don't want to buy them, even though I really wanted them. And then I was like, you know what? I really want them, so I'm gonna get them. And I'm so glad that I did. They are super cute. I love the bottom of them, and they've been perfect. I love that they're a slide on because they've been really easy to wear. Like if I have to run downstairs because I forgot something in the garage, I can easily just throw these on and run out, and they're great for like the rain. And yeah, I love these. If you don't have them already, I feel like they sell out and they restock. I highly, highly recommend these. Next up, I have these really cute pair of nude cowboy boots. These are nice and high, and they're not too wide on my calf, which I love. They fit perfectly, super comfortable. I am typically a size 8.5, and I feel like Nastygal doesn't always do half sizes. So as an 8.5, I typically go to a 9, and the 9s always fit me really well. These have been great to just like throw on and run out. I will say though, I do need assistance getting these off. They do get stuck around like this part of my foot, but yeah, I really love these. The next boots I have are these ones here. These are like a mid-calf boot, maybe a little bit shorter than that, and I love them. I know they look absolutely ginormous, but they're super lightweight. They aren't heavy at all. What's great about these ones is it is a lace, and it really does actually lace up, but you don't need to lace them to put them on. They have a zip here, so you can just slide your foot right in, which makes it super easy and convenient to just put on and go. These I wore all week because it was raining at work, and they were perfect. These are definitely a statement boot, and I really do love them. I think they're so fun. Last but not least, I have one more pair of shoes, and these I just got in, and I love them. They are so cute. I can't wait to wear these. They are these little Croc tan shoes. I can't wait. Oh my gosh! They come with a tan lace too, so you don't have to do the black lace. It also comes with a lace that's the same color as a shoe. That's awesome. I did not even know that it came like that. Yeah, I love these. I think these would be so cute with skirts or a dress, and I'm just obsessed. I love these. The moment I saw them, I was like, I need those. They are adorable. I can't wait to wear these. They're super lightweight, which is awesome. So what's funny is I actually saw this paired with an outfit on Nastygal, but I didn't see the shoes on sale anywhere. And then a couple days ago, I was on there and I saw that they had these in the new section. So I immediately put them in my cart because I was like, I have to have these. I don't want them to sell out. I don't know, it's just me. I think they're so cute. All right, well, that was my Nastygal haul. If you guys liked any of the pieces that you saw in today's video, make sure that you check out the description down below. I'm gonna go ahead and try to link as many of the items as I can. Thank you so much to Nastygal for gifting me a few of these items. It means a lot to me. I very much appreciate it. And thank you so much to you guys for watching today's video. Again, if you aren't subscribed, I would really love it if you would consider doing so, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Something precious like you should be never open. So take some time to